Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I am Sherelle Milano, and today we will be making the best fluffy scrambled eggs. Go ahead, click that like, comment, subscribe, and stay tuned for this video. Let's go. The first thing we are going to do is go ahead and spray our pan down with some cooking spray. Now we can go ahead and crack our eggs. I like to crack my eggs in a bowl first because I don't want any shells falling into my food. Now this is the trick to getting your eggs fluffy. Heavy cream. Use heavy cream. If you have milk, you could go ahead and use milk as well, but I do like heavy cream way better. It's going to give it a really smooth and rich consistency. So we're pretty much gonna whisk our life away. Just whisk, whisk, whisk. Whisk it until you start to see like small bubbles forming. Set your stove top to about maybe a 3 or a 4, which is considered a low heat. We do not want to burn these eggs whatsoever. So the goal is to make sure that your heat is low. You want to slow cook the eggs. Now you could take some butter or margarine and run it across the bottom of your pan. This helps in addition with the cooking spray to prevent the eggs from sticking. These eggs are going to be slipping and sliding, okay? So our butter has pretty much melted down and it's pretty warm, so I'm going to go ahead and start adding my egg mixture to the pan. Do you guys see this color? That's another reason I love using heavy cream or milk, because it gives like your eggs a nice pretty yellow, more like a pastel yellow. Now that the eggs are in the pan, do not touch it. You'll start to see like the edges of the egg become like thick or kind of start looking like it's turning into an omelet. That's when you start to shove it towards the middle and allow the uncooked egg to flow to the edges. You will see me do it here in a little bit, but just shove it. Get you a spatula, do not use a fork. You can also give your pan a tilt like I just did to go ahead and allow the raw egg to touch the exposed part of the pan. Each time you give it a shove, let it sit to allow the raw egg to begin to cook. Once the eggs are halfway done, I'm going to start adding my black pepper and cheese. I have triple cheddar cheese. You can use whatever floats your boat. Once you add the cheese and pepper, go ahead and give it a toss. Just flip it and toss it. Flip it, toss, and shove. Our cheese is starting to melt now. Comment down below and let me know what type of cheese you like to put on your eggs, or if you like your eggs plain. What do you like on your eggs? Comment below. continue letting the eggs cook. You can't see the fluffiness just yet, but by the time we're done, you will see it. The eggs are still a bit wet, so as it cooks more, you'll begin to see it fluff up. Now I know y'all see these eggs fluffing up. At this point, I am adding my pink Himalayan salt. This is my favorite type of salt to use on my eggs. If you don't have it, go grab it. At this point, our eggs are almost done, so we're going to go ahead and cut the stove off. Don't worry, the pan is still hot, so those eggs are going to continue to cook. Cut the stove off. Now once you plate these bad boys up, this is how they will look. Do y'all see that fluffiness? I went ahead and garnished it with some parsley and a little bit of cheese. But yeah, that's it. Thank you so much for watching. Do not forget to like, comment, subscribe, and let me know what videos you would like to see down below. Thank you.